Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Naturallyads here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning October 24th to the 30th, 2022. My memory planner using this Boovile kit from CaressPress, and I paired it with this purple hollow foil from Happy Sticker Designs. I do pre offer Happy Sticker Designs, so use my code Naturallyads15 to get 15% off of your order. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of the base to some music, and I'll be back for the day by day. Okay, so first of all, that baby in the sidebar is so cute. It's the whole reason I wanted this kit, just because it reminded me of my son if we celebrated Halloween. But still, let's start with the sidebar. So first, I noted getting a bad reaction to a gnat bite with this gnat bite sticker from Papershire, and marked that it was week 36 of my maternity leave with this script from PMG Stickers and a girl from Words Are Hard, Bella Plan Ella. So, of course, I colour blocked this spread because who wouldn't? On to Monday, I marked being Tied AF with this pillow icon from the Crafty Planner Co. and a Tied AF script from Carly Plans. I then marked having my morning tea with this sticker from Apple Blossom Prints. Next, I used this Fox and Cactus character to mark a plan with me binge, and the script was from McPlans. I then marked cuddling my son with this Once More with Love sticker and a Cuddle-matic custom script from Tilly Journals. Then marked having a hair appointment with Goldman and Coco character and a hair appointment script from Carly Plans. And then finally I marked that Malik was with his dad with this pumpkin face icon from the foil bundle. And then finally I marked watching Shadowhunters with this Maya sticker from Jane Paper Co. and a TV binge script from Make Plans. Sorry if you can hear my stomach. I'm just trying to get all of these done so I can be finished with my 2022 planner, which I'm so close to. On to Tuesday, I used this teacup icon from Planner Hannah to note having some morning tea. I marked coloured in my son with this Munchkin sticker and a script from Tilly Journals. Then marked having a video call with my dad with this phone icon from Planner Hannah and a with dad script also from Planner Hannah. Next, I marked a Plan With Me binge with the Fox and Cactus girl and a Plan With Me binge script from Big Plans. I think I marked it this way the whole week. I then marked some more Shadowhunters with a Clary girl from Jalen Paper Co. and a script from McPlans. And then I marked some Playtime with the truck sticker from the Crafty Planner Co. and a Playtime script from Happy Sticker Designs. On to Wednesday, I started off by marking tea again with a teacup icon from the kids. I then marked getting my gnat bite with the same sticker I used in the sidebar from Papershire. Next, I marked some Playtime with the soft play sticker from the Crafty Planner Co. and a Playtime script from Happy Sticker Designs. I marked a Plan With Me binge the same way I had the rest of the week. Then I marked doing some voiceovers with this Olive Studio character and a voiceover script from Carly Plans. I marked cooking dinner with a Stick With The Plan Co girl and a cook dinner script from Planner Hannah. And then I marked doing some laundry with a laundry basket, a laundry machine sticker from the kit and a laundry script from, I think it's from Magical Sticker Co. It was from a freebie. And then I marked that Malik clapped with this clapping sticker from PMD Stickers and a Malik script from Make Plans. On to Thursday, I marked waking up early with this Rise and Shine Munchkin and an up early script from Words Are Hard from Planner Hannah. I then marked getting ready, and I think the icon got lost of my sticker book and I found it later on, but I never put it back. So if I ever remember, I will. to note getting ready. I then used a camera icon from Cardi Plans to note taking pictures of Malik, probably. I then marked having my morning tea with this Halloween mug from the Coffee Monsters Co. I then marked taking a drive to see my brother with this car icon from Planner Hannah. I marked that Malik was fussy the whole way with this crying baby from Joy of Planning and a Malik fussy cousin script from Tilly Journals. Then marked Malik being with my brother with this heart icon from the kids and with my uncle script from Planner Hannah. And then marked that he drank from his bottle surprisingly with this bottle sticker from PMD Stickers. And then I finally marked having a Plan With Me binge when I got home, the same way I had the rest of the week. On to Friday, I marked having my morning tea with this Apple Blossoms print sticker. I marked that Malik was being fussy as usual with this crying baby sticker from Paper K and a script from Tilly Journals. I marked Plan With Me binge the same way, and then I marked watching more Shadowhunters with this J sticker from Jane Paper Co and a TV binge script. Let me know if you watch Shadowhunters, because I'm just saying the character's name and you probably don't know who they are. I marked ordering some takeout with this pizza icon from Planner Hannah. I probably didn't order pizza, but it was there. And I ordered takeout script from McPlans, and then marked cuddling Malik again with the Munchkin from What's With Love and a cuddle script from Tilly Journals. I then marked some playtime with this ball icon from Crafty Planner Co and a playtime script from Happy Sticker Designs. I then used this bat icon from the foil bundle to note that my husband went out. On to Saturday, I marked tea again with another Coffee Monsters Co Halloween mug. I marked making some eggs for breakfast with this egg sticker from Cardi Plans. Then I marked cuddling with another Munchkin and a cuddle Malik script from Tilly Journals. I used this sweet wrapper icon from the foil bundle to note that my husband was out again this day. I then marked a Plan With Me binge the same way and playtime with a Crafty Planner Co truck and a playtime script from Happy Sticker Designs. And then finally I marked watching, then I used a aeroplane icon from Planner Hannah to note that Malik had so much energy. And then finally I marked watching more Shadowhunters with this sticker. I don't remember what her brother's name is, Jonathan, that's it. Sticker from Jane Paper Co and a TV binge script from Mick Platt. On to Sunday, I marked that it was daylight savings with this this vanilla sticker from Papershire. I then marked washing my hair with the sticker with the Planco Girl and a wash hair script from Planner Hannah. I marked that Malik was with his dad with another pumpkin icon from the foil bundle and a with dad script from Planner Hannah. Next I marked so he was with his dad while I was washing my hair. Then I marked having some more Malik cuddles with this Munchkin from What's With Love and a cuddle Malik script from Tilly Journals. Then marked getting some more takeout with a sticker from Planner Face and a script from Mick Plans. I marked Plan With Me binge the same way I had the rest of the week. This colourway matched so well with this colour blocking scheme. And then finally I used another Simon sticker from Jaden Paper Co to mark the TV binge of Shadowhunters. So that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this spread. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye.